Umurebe witwa TV Stomurunzi nakwakira eshaha zaba ibiri zeciro neshaha y'amakuru agacencire urubuzaga kusiyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Lois Gava uwo rwo bonero akandi tutakaga kushizeho reka twanze tkoreke byija bwebembire rero nabwanyuma tuja kusiyaha amakuru ombwijire.
Emeto y'amakuru ne kukibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji nibashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mukisha kwekwatiro mu bibari kwega.
Gacencuire kireki Minister Tabukira batwire nibibe byoma bya Kirembe Mines umur district ya Kasese.
Mwebale bandisoma.
Government yatongoza uruguto na Nortinde birukuza kumara ku biliyoni 2 abatura bayire ko kushemererwa umurika kumiro.
Bayesima butine bwarukiro muno munabashubuzi.
Okutungure by'amagara Minister Mahanga yigwirirwa rumazire ko miliyoni 46 umurishema.
Emeto y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji nibashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mukisha kwekwatiro mu bibari kwega.
Ningwachiro gundo murundi wasiba kurunji webare okutorana kureba TV Studio mushaha y'amakuru agacencire kandi urugakusiya onde Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Lois Gava amakuru mbwijire nko muringo gumwe ugo kusiyobohereza bwe by'amagara mu bantu Minister we by'amagara Margaret Mahanga ayigwire hirwaro Eliamijina Health Center ya Kashatu rukushangwa umuri Kagango Division umuri Shema Municipality kandi ndija kumaraho esente miliyoni 46 na n'imitwaro 83 na shilingi 52.
Shanjirengwa bamijina ward district ya Shema batuire batayinirwarro kwihensebaho aho kufa kw'abakazi nibo babayire mbaciza yo muri Shema municipality yona enshonga ya Jemese Reise omnyishenjero Dickson Colin Kateshumbwa akwatanise n'omnyishenjero kazi Rosemary Nyachkongoro okwasa kushaka yirwa reri.
For God and my country. Omwebembezi wa kusikirwa role miliyoni 9 akaruteka hano mukimanyire Musangu district haliyo ne role rutukombeka yo kandi minister wa health hariho districts zitarumwirwa role rutukombekwa habwo kuba abebembezi harulengo rwa parliament bacheke hati nyo bumbandi ukatesha ati yese monye chikongora ati yese kutabagamende mental tuikara tuchika tuikalire tuti ngamba mubiteke mbuhandiki kakuba mutahandiki tukutunga kintu equity favors the vigilant abajungu ko bagamba
abanyeshenjera bwa Shema bagambira batura nguza municipality zindi nizitekwa kwijera Shema municipality ngwabwo kuba aho kushakana bahamanya kandi nabo nibamanywa yo
wabo tatambwira okaza kurobingo mba minister okazo mu budget mukamekika ngwesente mwazitekamu ebintu nibikiraki bivarabo Yona honorable member of parliament tuyaka chiko ka budget. So man murebe bintu bitambura ito twino kutu ebya government tugira minister tampura nkubitogota ujirota ushabura.
Aho kazaka weningo kazaka ka chhunda. Twazo ministry batwichiriza. Agarwaro kitu akatamu. Kuba agatire mu next project, next problem was itaka, tumwini itaka. Irwaro ryitu rya RC3 numanya hari utuzimbe tunga hityo hatarwitaka twazomba takanyenda kusiba bakansa
nyewe abebembezi banja bonyina ore Minister Churi as a ground mayor I am 100% comfortable returning these MPs
Kateshumba arabwira abatura okwegendesereza abebembezi abatakutebana na President Museveni omugore mwe.
Konka omusijja ogu ayire mukisa ukurobinga ahi appreciation ingihereza kukweli.
Abakazi hona basimire government ya NRM na mnonga President Yoweri Museveni ngwabo kuba ekikaba kitakabahoga.
Gweno ruhanga amutwebembera mutukumire Kateshi na Nyakikongoro tutakwebirwe omukyara wito murungi.
Nabwanyuma Minisita arambwirirwa ya Kabohe Health Center akana eriondombekwa aho Minisita aragire ngo butaka hiko kwa munana ratakahwire. Gashakwa Mike atwachire.
Webale munonga Michael atwachire ntugumizamo na namakuru Honorable ntugumizamo na namakuru Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa or Minister w'ebyobwiga bwo mwitaka atabukira abatwire nibiba ebyome byacirembe mines obwagumize ngo buno bwebwire bwabo kwegarukamo ningashi babase kubana bakwatwa ebi abigambiro obucirembe mines limited ebirene haye bintu ebyabirene koso mu butongore ebyabene koso mbestongore cha Uganda National Mining Company kandi mikoro ekorirwe omucyare cha Katiri omuri Brembia Division omuri Kasese Municipality.
Ikatandika okutimba Copper Smelt hamwe na Copper Cathodes omwaka gwa 1956 konko omwaka gwa 1982 ekija kuba nekingwaho bwanyuma ya Copper kugwa beyi n'entare zabiri ziri mu kicweke eki. Izoba lya nyomwe yebazyo obukirembe Mines Limited birene haye bintu byebirene kolesa ebirimitaka irware rya Kirembe Mines Limited shangirwe ngo hatwiriho kwiba kwebyoma n'amataka.
A lot of vandalism has been taking place. Has this place been secured before? You've been telling me erafe tetubadde tukuma mine eno wano tetubadde tukuma wo okumala ebbanga ngamba nolwekyo mumanya ababadde babba ebyuma wano mwebale bambikuuma.
Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa or Minister w'ebyobwiga bw'omwitaka nagira ngo ibyo kwerinda murundo n'ubiteka kongerwa mamani.
Ibaddewo zimanya eriyo abapoliisi zimanya abaki abakuuma ng'ebintu bigenda. It's a shame. It is a shame. I am going to talk to General Otafire or the IGP to make sure that there is a unit, a serious unit here to guard this site.
Me, I will just wait to see the policy what will be instructing me to do as a representative of government. Just waiting for the order and I implement. I humbly request the local brothers and sisters whom we are leading the district with just to be calm and patient.
Abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe omwanya ogu basharongo bintu bingi bikira kubana bikorwa.
My humble request is that as we begin the mining, can kindly our people be absorbed first, that they be given first priority, so that for sure they enjoy their surroundings.
I pray that when the minister and the partners please maintain the river Zamwamba as it has been, as it was maintained earlier by the former investors, otherwise Kasese will be removed.
Ekitongore cha Salai Group ekikwasibwa mu gwo kutimba kopo mwanya ogu kyo nikigirango bukugo bine nibatekwa kureba nkopa yatimbwa.
Therefore, revival of assets that have ceased production is nothing new to us, and we are fully confident and committed to reviving Kilembe in the shortest time possible. We also have a strong track record with privatized companies, the best example being Kenyara Sugar, where sugar production has increased from 60,000 metric tons per annum at the time of privatization to over 150,000 metric tons last year.
There is no mine that can survive without a what? Hospital. Sarai has been given an asset called Kirembe Mines Hospital. What they are going to do, they are going to revamp the whole of Kirembe, including the what? The hospital. Because it is now an asset they are taking care of.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
webare umunyamakuru witu Gilbert Muhanguzi umureka sese ntugumizamo na namakuru abatura okurwa umugombora ya Kacindo umuri district ya Kakumiro amwena na abatura abakabwoya umuri district ya Chikube bayureka amashemererwa bwanyuma ya government okutongoza okubakoro rwuto hamwe na Nortindo ebirukuza kumaraho esente zirukwingana billioni 2.
Government ya Uganda yatongoza umurimo gwo gukora uruguto hamwe n'urutindo ebirukuza kumaraho billioni 2 kandi uruguto hamwe n'urutindo nubigita district ibire ya Kakumiro hamwe na Chikube.
Ebikayijo ndimuri webikayijo ni kwa mafazaro stikiko kionka ndinda kukura bya kutwara kiswaza tanda kukura bya kutwara kienjojo twataribana twasaba isubi aturimira muhanda guno akutukiye nkaha kaboya Chikube
urugenda kutuyamba no kuruga Kakindo kugenda kaboya twere ntwetorora muno ni batutwalire mitwaro nkesa tunekichweka kuika kaboya baitu bire buno kusanga umuntu nagendera hasiringi 15
baita bagenda kuzara omanye cyari jumbeno eri LCN code serio kwali yakazinga baketa kisojwa habayaba hima bayingi abakazi babone bagiye kuzara nenda zabo era mpaka bavuya maizo muni barava mu kizoke basobora kwika mu kasenta kanu cyari jumba
abebembezi becweke kintu bagira ngo kuroga Kacindo mu district ya Kakumiro okuzaka boyo mu district ya Chikube orukoreso rugutoru ne siringe 15 bitu kandi ngo babire no bashoza siringe 5 barukweturura abo ruguto kubarbi
amazima bakazi twaza kwambuka Kaboya kuze Chikube district amafuta gatubahihi mu mbuga amazime byaho ima tuja turukubiraga orugudo runo twayesima tino bwarukiro abashija bayesima butino bwarukiro muno abashubuzi
ebitoke bote sobe tunda Kakindo Bakakumiro ogende Kaboyo genda maine wakisage nyo koleki otundiche government kitere mu sente no kuongera obuhereza bote sobe genda Kakindo center from Kakumiro district ogende Chikube center for Bakaboya okurosinga ogenda kujanjabe nebindi nabakwende byoburambuzi ene manifesto ya government ya NRM president Museveni ya lesile kuyamba abantu bayabanka bahansi
Minister Najirangu sente zirujura mu government ya Uganda kandi umurimo guno wija korwa ministry y'eby'emirimo hamwe n'intambura kandi batekata kubagwa wiro myezi 8 yonka
bogorozo umuntu naye bamufuta mu kido baramukwato mwetwalira police mukwato teriyo besimo mwetwalire nka apolisi obotera bateka bakarolinga esimba batwalenka aboko bareba mafuta iwa charujumba barimo abana abagezi mutakwenda kora bajya kubona nayo mafuta ochulere orugudo rukumaze emyezi 8 rugenda mu mwaka
kujja kuleta bintu bingi mukimanyira ko airport eri mu kilomita 5 ko cyabanza gende tebana okuraba kuli buhimba okuraba hano abasubuzo bokwenda kusubura ki obokwenda kora ki
Mugandi abaturu mutawuno kanso ya Rushero muri Kiruhura nabagirangwe bihingwa byabo amate hamwe n'ebindi bibiri bitacika mu butare ahabwe imihanda mibi eki gemeserize Rushero tawuno kanso kutandika gukora no kwigura imihanda ayenguti kuma kwetorora tawuno kanso
ati twine ntoki mbwene bitoki bene bihira yo biteyine nguto yo kurutwara mbwene hata nasima okureba ngo government yatwishwaho government ya president Museveni government erukuregeruguru ekashika muntu wahansi ekamurebe kareba uburemezo bwe
ganguto ya Rushere Kazorodi inamukira omusero y'ekishunju ezo mukakoma egaruke za nshwerenke kandi ijagura muri nshwerenke ezeru wakitura igarike eragaro mu nguto eyabyazo kaitanturegerod
imihanda meya chamyango twirerinke bahandagazi byente
beziriye bihandagazi utizigura cyo kubanza ngaba kwigura itaka rya government kumanyisa abatuze ngone n'itaka rya government ecya kabiri cyo buhereza abantu hato umuntu urukurga bwashamure umuntu urukurga ko mugena umuntu urukurga burimbi nabasa kuretwe ngutege
nkaba boda abakora stage ya Shere Shwere Kinoni ogomara go shortcut konka ujya ngo gutega sabwe bina wige cyandagazi ngatuga kumete ya twika tukora umuhando twazaganyirwamu
inguto zona zingana kilomita 20 kandi nubatekateka ngunizija kumara hikizibe kitwireho gashakwa Paul turiyamureba
Omurebe wito murunji ntukusima webare kugumanitwe na akutorana kureba TV West twicirize tubase kwantu humura ukace tugaruka na makuru gande.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Today we are at Lukman Primary School that's located in Kauku, Bwerenga, right by the lakeside. We have a happy customer who paid for her daughter's school fees. Nuru wanamuwanguzi era agenda kusoma guno mwaka gonna MTN Momo esasudde yo akolegwa kusoma.
Ngasasula bitundu nendeta nensasulako nasigala nga babanja natuko kuwumula nga tannamalayo banankisa bibadde byangu nemwebale nnyo mwebalira mpulira ng'essanyu limpitidde naye mpulira ate kati nga kababukabi mu mutima mwebale nnyo mwebalidda kulanga nze muwanguzi nakutonda ennooku.
Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You will now enter the draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
Werenko mwerere n'umufaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhangara omugongo omubiro gurukushasha okubyamaje kigambe bakwecho orukwen Resform ensiyebero toburunji
nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni
yakwera utamuye umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompe nkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushije nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyubako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
manager ogito wagito ko kama tumukidara kabataka jiremo MC takiziri
DJ ati nawe yaringe byoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo
nawo mpenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yonka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Fins Medical University yonka omubyo kutendeke byobushaho byonka omuri East Africa neyeto kushaba ahabwa intake ya July na August omashomaga Bachelors of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery, Bachelors in Pharmacy, Bachelors Nursing, Bachelors in Midwifery, Bachelors in Medical Education or Tutorship, Bachelors in Laboratory Technology. Naza program is a diploma ezirimu Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Weekend Program, Nursing Weekend, Midwifery Weekend, Medical Education, hamwena neza certificate ezirimu Nursing and Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwena nezindi nyinji. Tushirire ahitajirite rukuru omuri fotopoto ningashi oteresimu noti mushanju munana mushanju chinana nemwe ashatu n'itano nshanju n'itano narishi tutayire ahakibanja citu www.fmu.ac.ug. Fins Medical University, saving lives our passion.
tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohure amatwenge ahamumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjora bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nichikurwa ba chituzi Farm Company Limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo. Chituzi drink ichirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi neshango mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amachemerwa minji ntabarusi abo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 20 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu notu mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itano ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bariyo bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansugo mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo gwija kunywa
mucyara unama utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Nkamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze yo nako kishahemu ito twe tuyo ntumye diplomat akatuka kanuzira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara nabagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende nabagine nintere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekozi ko mu mugusha entangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNBS
kuri mucho wararoteka tekera habyo kombeka jeno mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omurimbarara site obwa hata bafurikire kimwe bakarga ahagaraji street no bashanga Makanising street ahakizimbe cy'aba sister hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga house hamwe na hawe house yabo rwogoma erukushangwa aha Victor Bwana Road washumira ahabanda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka Makanising kafurikire ahawe house yabo bine hotels nyamwinji enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebikabya adhesive nka quick stick tile adhesive erukusiba tile zempango namabare gahabisika na swimming pools twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwinji transport eriho wahika showroom yabe ya hawe house ebintu byona no butandu bata
yuko mukahumuro tugumizamu na namakuru agacencuire ebyandana n'ibyanda amabara garukwiragura agabarukireho bwa nyuma y'ebishozi bya Virunga okubaruka mu muro bakatambika amabara garukwiragura n'ingashi lava stones omyanye targemwe nemwe omashuma ga district ya Tsoro amabara aga abantu bakija bagajumbura ngo babasa ubwombece senju kandi zahangare emyaka na nebyanda umunyamakuru wituketa tuzarirwe atwinirebera kuceraho
emyaka yira abantu mu district ya Kisoro bakaba bareba amabara genaganagirirwa nyuma y'enshozi za Virunga kwibira nko mugugu habo kugira ngo ngabateganiso mu kuhinga bitu bakija kugumana bagajumbura mwe cyo mugasho kubasa kubahwera omushija amakoro ibuhunga buye ekintu akitira harurengo rwahiguru kandi amabaraga nagashara mwayi hamwe amatafari g'amabare za tiles pavers ebikondo by'amabare hamwe n'urwezo n'ingashi fertilizer
warishara wamara kurishara no yamo pavers wa tiles wa claddings icurinda gukora mu mweno so ebirasigara do za rejects o mweno cut offs so mu cut offs nituyame ibintu bingi nitwaza kuyihamo aggregates enkogoto zo kukozesa mu wombeka wate umwezo nkogoto tatu kuzihamo no yihamo ezo nkogoto no yihamo nagandi mabare mahangu go turakozesa umuchako stoves abantu bari gujaga Kampala wanira kusavinga hamanda waduteka amanda kashatu then utekeho amabare nkana then baba niga you save at least 70% using a charcoal stove then powder era rugagamo final iragere mameso powder ejo barajiguraga bajimixing with the soil to fertilize
babantu babutosha amabara gano bagazitizengo konka batari kumanya ibindi ebiri kubasa kugarugamo
abandi powder ejo nibagikosesa nka cement nayo because it is now a pure sand so bamwe barajimixing mu sand then they can get at least a concrete which is hard during COVID ndi ku internet mukabona abantu bashara amabuye so ko nageze na tuza Kenya niho nasanze bashara amabuye volcanic because they also have volcanic stones ngezo mbona yuko bashara amabuye ngezo ko naje mu Uganda ndavuga nti nanjye reka ndebe n'amabuye ga Gisoro twagashara so ngezaho mu 2023 tangira gufabricating icyuma cyo kurana banashara amabuye. So we fabricated the machine, fabricating from Kisoro, with another boy who is a fabricator from Rwanda and another one from Kenya. So tugezo turangije machine tuyishiraho.
Babu Mbonye omutora ko rw'umugombora ya Nyakabande nagira ngo akakora nareba amabara garukwebuze cyarije gakora mwe cyo muhendo kandi ngo nico cyamugemeserize kushomo bwa engineer konka abantu batura bakabano bagareba nko mugugu obwe garuko bateganiso mu kuhinga amataka gabo umwaka gw'2024 Babu nubwo yakore cyo manengaro ekero kubasa kushara amabare omusayize zitarukwingana.
So we deal in cutting those stones to those claddings and other things. So after cutting them, we have customers. Generally, we have for construction, because those are for construction. We target government, we target individual people, even we target projects. So after cutting them, so when we sell them to those people, then people can use them in those industries of construction.
Nagira ngo buri kwezi nabika miliyoni 20 okurwa mu project egi.
Tungira improvement nyingi abo kuba nkatandika ndi kupangisa gukorera ndi kupangisa kugura amabare bati hati ninyi hamutakari yanje nyine income yanje at least it is not ati mweno tugamba ati ninzi tunka nko salary but umwe no tunga abantu binja another time but at least nka minimum yozonda tunga ba maximum kwezi ninka miliyoni 2.
Nagira ngo mu factory ye nakoze semenyeto 18.
We are using most especially young people, the youth, because they are the ones who are very strong in working. They can break the locks. We also use ladies who can be able to carry the stones from the quarry to the where they are supposed to be packed and picked. Also the operators are young people.
Babu obwa hatarugira hacoma kimwe kandi hatakize byuma mukaga ekero kuretera yakora emirimo yombwira kandi akashohoza ombwingi nagira ngo nabuga nebizibu byingi ebirimo amashanyarazi kuburabura enguto mbi yaba nayakira amabaro mbyaro no butagira byuma by'umurembe ebitari byamana ga kifuba
amashanyarazi hano ya Kisoro amashanyarazi gitu garugagaho almost anytime when utegarira president zo ariyo urasanga atari maybe few hours so ikizibu cy'amashanyarazi kiranteganisa munonga mu mirimo then ikizibu cya ikindi cya kabiri n'ikintu cy'imihanda imihanda aho turi amabare kuranga imihanda tizibonire twaho twatambura so abakazi baragihaga hari bari kugekorera so ikindi kuga breaking nacho no shanga sometimes abana baraga breaking ngenu I need a lot kushano shanga abantu bari kuga breaking nabo batari kurebeka
nashaba government okumukwatira hwe kamuhereza roni akataho factory y'umurembe
nitukwasa mu abaturage turagama amabare mu baturage then nabo ni bakutunge sente batunge ka school fees batunge sente zo kurya batunge sente z'irwariro bas
omucyaro cya izindiro aha abatura babire no bareba amabaraga nk'ekitine mu gasho hatano bagaguza kandi na baboru kugabaguraho akashara y'uruguto yaganyirwamo n'abatura baganyirwamo aha bo kwenda kutunga umuhanda gukora byamwe amabare agaro kugura
n'umurimo ino turi ku cyaro tukoraga amabuye kugira ngo tubone sente twikorera hakaba abagabo kumena twe tukikorera uko niko tubayeho niko tubona ijana araduterezaga kugira tubone agasente ko kugura isabune n'umunyu tubeho neza
abo twakoreye umuhari ari kuza niho agumya araza cyane amabara abonera hafi akabona mu bwicya yashakira akayabona
omucucu n'ingitaka eriko rugo muri yagamabare babano bagashohoza nibabiguza abantu babikoresa nko bujimu umeseri yabo babu nagira ngo amashanyarazi n'ebyome bitari kumara nico kimuberire kizobu cy'amani bitwa inamasiko kugira ngo government yamukwatiraho nabasa kwihamwe ibintu binjo mu mabaraga okukirebera kuruga mu bwahati amabare Kisoro no bagazitize ngo kandi no bagombekesa n'amaju bitu tubaru kwikirizubwa kugombekesa enju yakanye nibero no kweyongera yahiguru gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe
we bari munonga Kate atuzarirwe ntugumiza mu na namakuru government ya Uganda okurabiro mu World Bank ahansi ya project ya competitiveness and enterprise development project yamazire kubanetungura ebyo kucondoza ahitendekere rya government area Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College itendekere ri nershangwa omuri katwe kabatoro town council omuri district ya Kasese.
Government ya Uganda okurabira mu World Bank ahansi ya project ya competitiveness and enterprise development project chete SEDEP etungwiro kucondoza ko kongera hakumanya aitencheri ya government area Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College rukushango marakatwe kabatoro town council mu district ya Kasese.
We can easily do research using the tools and equipment given to us. SEDEP has also gone a long way in helping us in improving our curriculum. We have reviewed and developed some courses, and this one has actually helped us because we have made our curriculum now more competence-based.
Wirebanura or principal instructor itendekere rya Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College nagira ngo abeja itendekere iri nebeja kuguko mu bintu bitari mwe na mwe.
We train them in wildlife management and tourism management, so they have a lot of hands-on experience in nature interpretation and wildlife management practices.
Emotoka eriato hamwe n'ebindi bihirwa begesa itendekereri nibagira ngo nibyija kubahweraho mu kwegesa beji obwe bari kucondoza okongera kumanya ibintu byo mutano
ebintu nk'ebyo biraza kutuyamba ngo twandike empapula n'ebitabo ebiraza kuyamba aba Uganda Wildlife Authority kumanaginga wildlife age eby'obutonde bwitu ebirayeta abagenyi kureba ngo byagenda je.
Dr. Emmanuel Akampurira orukure bya research itendekereri nagira ngo nangwa research babiri no bakorane ija kongerwaho kandi bayamba kutungura ibyo bahangwa hamwe n'ibyo barambuzi.
so tushemerirwe munonga kandi turamanya ngo hatiya emirimu jitu twaza kujongeramo amani kandi tukorere kimwe turebe ngo contribution yitu wildlife management yayongera kukura.
We have laboratories, we'll be able to make our practicals there. The GPS, they all help us in our field. And we also thank the government so much for the vehicles they gave us, the troopers.
We have laboratories for research. We have GIS that is assisting us to collect more data in the field.
Itendekere ryamazire kubana rihindurwa izina ku rugumu Uganda Wildlife Research and Training Institute kwetwa Uganda Wildlife Research and Training College. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Webare Gilbert Muhanguzi ahabwa imbozi John tugumiza muri amakuru okukora na no kutera kora nsoruguto urwakabo hemasheru kansika umuhezi wa speaker wishenjero ryihanga Thomas Tayibwa na zirangu bariyoni barunde sente biliyoni 29 okushumbusha abantu rero bakatandika okurukora ebabigambira hacaye cyamasheru ko muri district ya Shema kanda hano ashabire abantu okuba bakwatirireho.
Abebi amagara no bagirangwe ndwara nyingi nezireto butafayo bw'abantu nko butanaba mu ngaro obutagera kamena obutarara mu butimba bw'ensiri hamwe n'ebindi bingi embereji egimiserize by'amagara bebembirwa urukurirwa rya Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital Dr. Bahizi okutandika ehuru yo kubugana habantu okureba ngo bamara ikizubeki
turuko bembeza munonga no kuranga abantu tubarwara akwa uburwiro bwinji nko cyurukano okuribwo munda enkorora senyiga umushujo gw'ensiri typhoid hamwe n'ibindi ibyo n'ibintu bituru kwasa kumariraho cimwe munonga na sirimu ntwasa kujumariraho cimwe munonga
kumstreets mwinshi yakatimba mu government campaigns kandi tukabahereza almost 98% of everyone got mosquito nets nabakazaho kuzaro withairwaro ni bafuna butimba they get those things but they are not using them. So that's why we are calling upon intersectoral collaboration between turiki kugira ngo ebyo bumezi nebya mu ningane bya Robin wa environmental health all of us
mu district ya Chegegwa babwino ebyo kwerinda office y'umushikirwa mukuru w'ihanga abanyamakuru abanyadini hamwe n'abandi bantu.
So it is about mindset change that can we use these things these mosquito nets in a good manner. The other question that we are asking ourselves, where does malaria come from? You may feel that you know, but I pretend that you don't know.
Buri ika kuyo kugira ahantu aho kunabira engaro ahitoyerete eri ningashira turi warugo mucigo ningasho mutoyi okanabo mungaro ko samiza bone sabuni okanabe ngaro otakarire ebyo kurya kandi utakanyura ikintu cona eco ntwanci manyisa ngo abantu 10 abatwebinijo mu irwaro 8 tibari kuza kwisha.
Dr. Bahizi najirangwa habiro ho mwijura no marwaro nibura ry'imbazi utiro no bworo mu bantu abwa abantu kurwara
nitendeza okutaka ngwe imbazi teri mu marwaro habwaca abantu nibarwara abantu bacendera obukurwara eco isangu imbazi nayo actually neza kuba minji munonga.
Sincerely konsebera umuntu kubaho ikaya ukatekari bakakweta nyineka ukajwa ukatuka ukagenda nayo mubara kumamarwa nuko utayina latine muka nibakwana bacama rero sizi
mu district ya Chegegwa omushiza gwenseri niyo ndwara ikirezo yo kuteganisa abantu.
Let's not only come in when there is an outbreak. Let's always come together and we discuss that we have this problem and we are addressing.
Ehoreji neija kwetura district zone no mchanga cha Rwenzori gasha kwa Philip Murangira.
Webare munonga Philip Murangira embozejo yabane kwata aho umuri yabanerwa muri Chegegwa ahi abebya magara okurwo mucange cha Rwenzori borekero kwatwaho ahabwo burofa kweyongera umbantu econjize ndwara zo burofa na numushwija umubantu kandi abantu bagirangwe embereji eretire haba humwijorano omarwaro hamwe na ibura ry'emabazi bitu timboze naba nakushomire eyo kororguto orwa masheruka kandi kabwoye kugunizamo okuzansika nguko nabanagambiro inchirize mbase kwa nimbomura okache emboze ejo tuja kugireba mu kichweke cyo kurata
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasete kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room na 17 ari Mbaguta Street muri Mbarara City ukumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga Itano, chenda na mwenda, ananina, tina events. Nito tuango muri burengero bw'izuba, abino buhereza bw'umurembe.
Katochi, ino bunuzi bwayo. Katochi, kerya hamutindo. Katochi, okurugera izuba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima. Byaguma binamashemererwa. Ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kitufu inache walya nguza bizigo kumpi container namba biganye sagala kufanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususu lutwawudde kaibando musajja ngobya olususu lunemeseza amaka gula ebizigo wisiige ebizigo byonna biganye olususu lukulemesa amaka kikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder ifune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Otweraronda piki ndungi ezirya mulembe ziranywa mpora naryona birakanika za piki aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited abarashangwa kizimba cha Patas Hotel hina roundabout ya Tatitwe Mbarara City bakuletera piki ndungi za roller zebe yesheku hamwe na spare parts za bajaji na senke wholesale na retail nko black pedal za bajaji chain system za bajaji na senke emipira ya piki na tubes omotypes zona za Golden Choice na Bosen Total Lubricants oil za petrol na diesel hamwe na Total Grease UBL batteries wholesale na retail Comet oil half liter na liter 5 otebwa kumenya kika cha roller kirakoze za spares za bajaji boxer kandi wagura n'aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited transport ne yabusha mpako wawe hona mu Western region okushubura tera noti 3 2 nkaga ni 2
YMCA Comprehensive Institute is Uganda's first private chartered as a degree awarding institute that offers a variety of programs to equip the youth with skills and knowledge to succeed in their career. We offer degrees, diplomas and certificates in accountancy, business administration, decoration and events, clearing and forwarding, catering, fashion and design, cosmetology, journalism, computer science, industrial art, electrical installation and motor engineering. YMCA has also introduced a bachelor's degree program in early childhood development, plus a bachelor's of primary education and diploma in primary education. Registration is in progress at Wandegea campus and Buambo campus along Bobo Road. To apply for our ongoing April and May intake, contact the numbers on the screen. YMCA Comprehensive Institute, the first chartered private other degree awarding institute in Uganda.
kuruka y'umukahumuro tugumizamu na namakuru okukora na nokutera kora nsorguto rwa Kabuhe Masheruka Nsika omhwezi wa speaker wishenjero elihanga Thomas Tayebwa nagira ngo bariyo baronde sente billion 29 okushumbusha abantu rero bakatandika kukora urugutoro.
Omukoro gubeire guryo gwo kubugana habebembezo muri Shema North okutanitsira cyaro beito myeshenjero chubaju asimire government abwe beriyombe korwa omarwara hamwe n'amashemero umuringo mbego rwuto rwakabuhe Masheruka nago gugambireho
ejo rwuto rwitu orukurga bwizwera tukarabanyakamu tukagwisa Kabuhe kagumizamur rukerganya kambur kazo muishe na shemerwa mnonga muishe mwana wanje kwijaha bwacho tukwasa kuremesa koransi konke chirungi twatanise twena twagambira karume kandi parliament nge shadow minister wa works and transport twagambira karume twichirizangana twaza no finance ameka group minister wa finance nakachiko ka physical infrastructure right on speaker karijire kunuya karambura Shema kazana bugwejo kugira ngo ekije mukachiko tukushabe sente babemba abanyembere ruguto rukozereki
Amkorogu Honorable Thomas Tayebwa oriyo mwezi omugambiro swishenjero rya Uganda ahumurize tubaju ahanshanga yorguto ahagezere ngombwire bwa heihi ndwisha kubanda tandukwa okorwa
cyo tugiye kutubanza twarucwamu tukore Kabuhe kwikanyakamu then Nyakambu kuzansika twajya mutubanze twakora kilometers bwizibwera okay twajya mutubanze twakoraho kilometers 86 n'ubucika mukaka abarwe tabanza twajya konka cyo tukumanyisa ngo Siberia titire hamwe amishoka NRM nejirangu tushome edine zituremo tujirengana zituremo konga twena twerebe kabana baruhanga kandi twena twerebe nk'abantu ba movement tuteine okwishorora mwarebye government kubitangui niwe ngude ngorgude mpaka nimwenda hata kajireza contractor nimwenda bilioni na mwenda ezo kurihira kakachweka konka ati najya tujire twene tandika ngwa aho banza wachashura
abantu bashabura kwejumbira mu programs z'ebyentunguka okubasa kurwanisa obworo gashakwa Sheikh Abdulatif
webale munonga Sheikh Abdulatif ntugumizamu na namakuru abejibiro 56 abitendekere rya Nyamitanga College of Business Studies batunjira amabarha ahabwo kuheza emishomo yabo aba babangwirwe mu mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe agari harurengo rwa certificate hamwe na za diploma.
Omukoro gwo kujweka bejabereza mishomo yabo ahari Nyamitanga College of Business Studies gukurirwisha bari sautori yambarara rambati bino mugisha oshabira beja bajwara okugenda bakayamba abantu barabugani.
Persons whose names have been read for the award of a national certificate in accounting and finance. As you leave Nyamitanga College of Business Studies, carry with you the values instilled by this institution. Be leaders who inspire change, pioneers who push boundaries, and visionaries who dream for a better world.
Ogu ayongiriye abashabo kutwaza kurungi nko kubabire n'batwaza bari yitendekereri no butebwe kibabire n'barwanira barukushoma.
Remember that the greatest achievements are not the accolades you receive, but the lives you touch and the difference you make.
You need to be focused, you need to be creative, and you need to be presentable. For me, I normally tell people, there is one time I refused to give someone a job because when we invited him for an interview, he came on sandals. For me as a person, because that your presentation is part of you.
Mu butumwa bwe Paul Tremblay or principal w'itendekereri asemera abazira abo kutorana Nyamitanga College kandi yashaba bejo kweyongera yahiguru.
Graduates, I encourage you to
aim higher and continue to attain additional academic qualifications.
Abanda mwatandikire nabo, they left halfway due to school fees, due to other challenges. Konkimwe musime ruhango muringo go mutano kureba ngo mwakayizoberi mwashoma
banyoni isima bazire banje tatana mawe abasire kumbera ho muri intero yona bakanshomesa ngika abirunzi nkebe
abazire n'abashaka abana banyuma bateka mu mutima umwana yakushabe cyo cyumuhereze
kandi isima ruhanga obase kumpya izoberi isima bazire banje abase kumpa school fees banga ni mabe butambuhi konka bwemba bazarhanga ababasise
umukoro go kujweka bejo gubire kuri gumurundo gw'18 aho habeje bakugucira mu mashomo ka journalism secretariyo accountancy nagandi aharurengo rwa certificate hamwe na diploma ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webare munonga Aidan Bataringaya naza kumuraho kace tugaruka na namakuru agebyemizano
Here just searching, still deciding, what am I watching? We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! I'm at my business, enjoying success, not just address, all our progress. We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! That was straight. With what internet? 4K HD, non-stop action. We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! Jerry car. With MTN, we are what? Unstoppable.
With you and MTN together, our progress is unstoppable.
We are what? Unstoppable.
Ombare gw'abantu abarukwata uburwere bwa mpox mu ihanga gweyongere kandi abantu bamwe nubagamba kuba bafire uburwere bwa mpox no bujanjara buti okwikanira kimwe no muntu owayerekire omanyiso no bubonero bw'uburwere bwa mpox nkorhererwa hamubiri okwata habinte bikozi bwo murwere ninga amezi agakorwa mu birogwe obo no bumanyiso no bubonero bwa mpox okwemba moro orhererwa hamubiri okwamani omagaragona na no kuzimba enturugunyo okunukora kubasa kwerinda uburwere bwa mpox yetantara kwikanira kimwe omubiri ahagundi no muntu okeberwe kikahambwa kuba ino burwere bwa mpox yetantara ebintu byona ebikozi bwo murwere oyino bubonero bwa mpox gumona abo mungaro orukozesa sabuni na mezi ninga kuguma no kozesa sanitizer tungo mubazi okutsereka uburwere bwa mpox waba ori hartezo gukubukwato wakureba ningo teka ngo muntu ayino burwire bwa mpox tera namba etari yokushashura sente not manana not emwe not mukaga ningo tsindike message yabusha ahamukutugwa your report ahari 85 not obutumobu no kureterwa ministry y'amagara n'abakwatanisa n'ibindi bitongore
erizuba nzakutayire cyaro moviti utosha kakuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa Movit nerugumite nebijumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazombaneze bawe tukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita omushipa kimwe enganda zona zikazeranira hamwe kusharura embazi bawe omwana nabasa kwesiga movit habo jerry aloe vera ninga she ovacado papaya
movit okweyesiga izuba ryona
akachiko ko kuteza obururu nekamanyisa abanyayuganda mwena kukarukuza kushohoza amazina g'abatezi bakaruru okurgebera 25 byo kwa kana okusiye 15 byo kwa katano 2025 akachiko karukurabira omukashare ka 2006 eya Electoral Commission Act nako kushohoza amazina g'abatezi bakaruru okurgashahibiriza kasheshe okusiya 12 zo mwabazyo omyanya yona eyokutereramwa akaruru omwihanga ekigenderwa no kuhamya bihandiko ebikukwasireho ebishikire kandi no kuhamya abatari kuterera omyanya ejo hamwe n'abafiri weno wayihandikisize akashanga izina rye ritarumu nayikirizibwa kwegambaho bakamugita mu rukararoru orurukuza kushohozibwa okuruga 2016 okwa katano okusya 2026 byo kwa katano 2025 ebindi ebirukwata hakuteza karuru bishanja hamtimbagano gwa Electoral Commission www.ec.or.ug ninga ahariburu offices zona omwihanga.
Are you part of a talented Catholic or Anglican choir? Sing for a chance to win cash prize of up to 36 million shillings in the National Martyrs Choral Festival 2025. Simply register with only 100,000 shillings. Using Airtel Money, dial *185 *9#, enter code 1175850, the amount and customer reference. For MTN users, dial *165 *4#, select goods and services and the merchant code NV3. Share a 3-minute video of your choir singing a hymn together with your payment ID to our WhatsApp 0776 877 528 with the choir name, church and diocese before Wednesday 14th May 2025. National Martyrs Choral Festival 2025 is brought to you by
New Vision and its partners.
Nabaramusi ninye Didier Drogba umbarwa abantu abarkwinga n'imitwara 25 nabafera umurubutandu ahanguto zo muri Afrika buri mwaka ikintu kinyerekereza abo kwa butandezi nizibasa kutangwa kwaratenda gireji kwerinda butanga buri ruguto rwine speed eyoshemeye kuvuga gikoratere cyendeza speed ya motoka yawe waba yo mukona aha bushumo hamwe na habitara reka hakanya hagati yawe na motoka zindi waba ari amahanda kwaratera amateka agakuhebwa twena tukuma magara gitu twetantare butandu ahanguto za Afrika.
Makuru agebye mizano champion wa Africa umwaka guhwire 2024 omukuvuge motoka zempaka Karan Patel enzarwa ya Kenya erizoba yasinga eza Power of Africa Uganda Rally ezimazirebero bibiri zirukhindra aho mu rembo rwambara hamwe na district ya Kiruhura ogu yakuratirwa umunya Uganda Yasin Nasa.
Point hit the sump, and that sump has affected the engine, the circulation of oil. Of course, it has affected our position overall because we were third on the championship, and as it stood, our competitors had actually also some had got problems, some were also not very high in the standings. So we had a chance to lead the championship after this event, but as luck would have it,
Twagumizamu omakuru agebye mizano yempaka za ligi yihanga ezazanwe rizuba team eyambara City yasinge ya Rugazi na goremwe ahariziro okuhona okusharwaho omumpake za Uganda Premier League omuzano ogwazanirwa achai kacheka kandi yoburi yasinga Vipers na goremwe ahariziro NEC yatera aba Bright Stars na goli tana haryemwe akandi yo Wakiso Giants basharwaho omumpakezi bwanyuma yo kusingwa aba KCCA aba batera goals 5 ahari 0.
Honek Hillary
dropping that ball further deep through. Options coming through. Musima, shot to one side. It's a response. You never say it's over until it's over. Let drama yet again. Musima with a drive. The serve coming in, but unfortunately, Regan Kaliowa in the right place at the right time. That is a glorious finish. Super glorious finish.
Agwo ngo makuru agutwabasa kusyaho echireti kandi wabanaga kusyaho n'abandi Elias Letugusa hamwe na Lois Gava worumi orgo bonero koko basa kuba wakundo kunajwara abakunjweka n'aba bright suits abakushangwa aho mu rembo orwambara ahakizimbe ecyara grand level ya kabiri kandi room number ya 5 twicirize twendeze kurara kurunji utagarga TV West.
Eshaha za bishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Mushana Productions ne kuchibwaho Muju Hotel.
Omuprogrammu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetaago.
Mushana Productions.
Endagano yitaka endagano kaya bendagano 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 endagano yitaka endagano kaya bendagano
bakija kutwiba
tubushuma
genda wano ndasente kumala ebizibu byawe bizibu nibitwikaho twena konka genda mu banka yeguze sente omu muhanda ogushoborokire kandi ogurigwe sente zirakuyambe zikakuyamba neka yawe ezoro kumanya kwezi kwawe batiya n'intwara y'amagoba nekuhereza sente okwezi nakwarengo tatwire yo magoba nangwa hakaza hono kundi kwezi kwa kabiri banka teraze kujangatanisa ki ekibanja cyawe cyo giherize nibaza kwikiriza ingana niwe murebe ko mwashashureze sente kandi osigize n'ekibanja cyawe konka nimuza kunsasiraho kake bamani renders tibona ngo nibaguza sente mu muhanda guhabire ari haba uri kushanga bine license konka ni bake abinji nka bamwami kare jwaba abo tino ine license yo kuguza sente mbani waye shanga warugaho watomera mwami kare jwa akakuhereza sente ye nabana ikirizibwa kukore cyari kwenda cona mbani mwami kare jwa ninyenda nkubuze oyine license eri kwikiriza kuguza abantu sente
nyowe nugutinda kuguza abantu sente abantu nimba yamba kandi abinyambire n'ibindi nabana mushango kurabaza kutunga no kwashobangirirwe
kati noreba mwami kare jwa ekintu cyo ri gukora kigwire no kugira ngo tushanga ababine mwe mikono tushanga kitino okuchabasa kwata konke kintu cyo gukora kigwire kandi ogundo murundi twakitambura noza kuhendero ryo mu cyome
nyowe tino undagurize sente
gamba mazima ninyongera nimba habura bamani renda azaba naye buzabuza wahisoro nakugutwara yo sente hakira kweshereka ningaruga mu agenda ochayiso murundi gumwe wataho gwa kabiri endagano ya wajicankaranya oba wahwayo otine ho cyabasa kwababa
yabare kansara
maji mwaba mugenzire je nimubona yo nabamane rendazi bake abakuba bajyo umuhando guhitire binera isinzi mbane hati mwamisho banjirigwe ekibanja cyawe cyaza kugendera busha ogwo mushango gwawe tina ho raguhaba babwo kubosa ininjire amazina nagawe handi writing ne yawe tina ho rahababe
mbwe nati cyamanyisa aba bakareju ngo bari kusisira bari abamanerenda babineza license
nko kuwakirebo so
babatera izina ribi
divine license konka hariyo bamanirenda azotambwire kurunji abine license bakwikirizibwa kuguza sente kandi atari kwikirizibwa kwibabwo kuba ine license ya government eri kumwikirizo kuguza ukuguzezwe sente itaka ryawe ryagenda niriba ryagendera busha worihire ba manerenda azaba yayinkaba
konka kigambo cy'ubuyayi ningira
hakireba
reka batushobore bisha bonje takwena ngo batushobore twetegereze reka twetegereze muri agashuma
kandi nye nakugambira nka kansara nagarika kurire shonga nkejo ninza kukoro kukiri kubasika cona nituza kutamburanira
webare
eto nakugambira ni yendo
wagambaje kansara
webare munonga
webare area kansara abo kuteka umushomo kogu kana no kubasa kushomesa abantu banje nani nyenda kongera herugambo bice bitari byinji ecyo kubanza nanyira kubanza koreka inshobe yakozirwe umwami kareju hamwe ne yakozirwe umwami shobangirirwe umwami shobangirirwe okima LC1 chairperson na office ye ekitinisa obu wakwata umuhanda okazo umwami kareju okamushaba kakuguze sente utamanze kuraba mu office omwami karejo okakora inshobe mpango obu waza omwami shobangirirwe mukikiriza na kakuguza poroti yenejo otarabire mu office ya chairman LC1 mwanyetegereza ntabwo enshonge y'abataka banje wanda kuguza ninga kugura oine kuraba nkahi LC1 mwanyetegereza ogundu murundi tutargaruka habwe enshonga nkesho benkezo kandi tuzagaba tuzikozere buriya munyine ecyakabira abashije batahi banje okuburya hakabara ukabana ho washabira ibanje mpora yesente mpesente zo rabyo kawaya no maybe akubire hijo no mukazi wawe kawaya bari yakabara ati mpereze shayisha tuzomwana komka mukazi bamugambira umukazi utakumakushomo no we kinkum bateka yeshayisha umushango bikabiri nkebe mu office kace office bagyokeze
injirane oleba ejo yona nemihande gwire
so naba nimba shaba itwe nkakoti ye cyaro
ikintu cyo cyamana twakishoborokerwa wajangu kawayaka akabona bagura umwana bakora shobore tagaraka gombuzu ibintu byo gumakoti ncikwaha tweza gombuzu baza kutujanga tarisa muza kutushomesa turukutiyamba
nshobangiriwe buzubu bwawo to kumpa kitinisa tinkumanya buzubu bwawo nubu nabashobora ngo tweha abashija twehara umuze bwo kweguze sente turya amabara tusinzire mwanyetegereza tezorabira uwo mwanya umukaka waye atakumakusho kawaya yashabesha yishatu yakomuka umukazi bamugambire shageme umukazi yatahe kingu obwire bw'omwana kugahye bwo kwakira bwo kushoma omwani kawaya ati mbatumanze shayishatu omukazi ateneje mukaka waya yirukanga yijo mu office bija bamukuratire kake office bajose mwe nabwe nshongejo emwe bintu tumwe tumanye tutamena abakazi bitu tuganire nabo bamanye kitwaza kukora kandi tubikore tutasinzire mwanye tegereza ecya kabiri naba nimba shaba nkoko umushango nkoko urugutu gwabo gw'amani nyo naba ni intensa imwe babiri ngo kumwa bintu mwesigana
ati okore no mangu kerye shahwemwe wagambira omukazi warye sente ze shawishatu cyatumire no shereka n'ikiko kuza
banzo maro gwawe
mureke tuhereze order eki naba ninshaba omwami Karejo n'omwami Nshobangirirwa nkoko mwashitamire hamwe omukintu cyanyu mukikirizana kugira ngo nyambisa yakasente kankwatirize cyanje mugaruke yo mushitama himwabe mushitami murebane omubuntu mugaruko mundagana
abatakwenda kuntemera mu office abatakwenda kuntemera mu office mbasagarike
muza kwatagana no sente tubakuzanira mu
muhurukirize omwami Karejo twarga kucyetegereza je kurungi nobora no tuguze sente konkato yinera insinzi none tubakeka bataka kanti no takimanya
abaryo musuma rukondo
omwami Karejo
yo gura amataka ninga yo kwiba abantu
omwami Karejo nyine mishango mu office yanje abana ba boda abo watwire kada zabo nendagano urukuba horo sente mutwara 10 amuhere kishoka zitwara mishango ijuru mu office
yego
omwami Karejo nyenda kuhamiza nke cyareki kandi kuko kucumangu nyine majorite yone yampira karuru nyenda kubashaba ngo ninza kushitama na nakachiko kanje ntukora reporta har Karejo ahanshonga zo mwami Nshobangirirwa kundi abe naresere cyandiko mumpereze mikono cyohereza higuru babase kwija bashitama mu nshonge
cyayita gisabwero mukode
ecyakabiri nito bataka tugire makantu ko bwenge mu mutwe omuntu ataka mpeza piki ya miliyoni 5
Mushana Productions ne kukibwaho Muju Hotel.
MTN Super wali yakapya musite wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone ne byakabibyonna wali yakapya MTN kabode super mustairo mpya then you kabode smartphone ne byakabibyonna
yatungire kabode super esimu nse ya smartphone rero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandikana deposit y'emtware na networka rero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10 nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi kiri yahariwe turi hamwe amashemerero gito tigine kizivira amateka n'ubushunshureke nibukuratirwa MTN nereberera Uganda Communications Commission.
Erizoba nza kutayire cyaro mufiti utoshaka kuba kuri yo kwesima no kushemerwa. Movit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazombane zibawe kundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita mushipa kimwe enganda zona zikaseranda hamwe kushara embazi y'ebishaka yo kunabisa abana babo omwana nabasa kwesiga Movit Habo Jerry aloe vera ningashe avocado papaya
Movit okweyesiga izoba lyona.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Are you a woman with a small-scale business with a dream of growing it to another level? The GROW Project is here to support you in realizing your dream.
The GROW Project is a government initiative implemented by the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development and Private Sector Foundation Uganda with support from the World Bank.
We support women-owned businesses across the country to gain hands-on and business management skills through training within your location, business financing through grants and affordable loans, and infrastructure in your areas of operation to enable you to increase your productivity.
If you have a business that makes sales of up to 800,000 Uganda shillings per month, the GROW Project has the tools and resources to help you succeed. For more information, contact your district or city GROW focal person or call our toll-free line on 0800 307 777 to learn more about how you can benefit from the GROW Project's services.
The GROW Project, empowering women economically, transforming communities.
Mushana Productions ne kuchibwaho Muju Hotel.
Tano akakupa mitwali 10 ngo korenda gano ko wagira ki waguza mwanyetegereza
Oshomira no tashomire abantu twena hati twayaga
abantu babire kenyameshwa no wawe tachiri wawe beyendeza yechiwankora ruhango urira ryakubuza manerenda yanye hakana endagano yanje yagitwara kanjende neduka njiguze ezibarampe muzona nyagabwa yagwire
abantu mwena bakuguza sente nitugamba bamanerenda mwehare munonga omutwego kwiba abantu abantu mwena bakuguza sente nitugamba bamanerenda mwehare munonga omutwego kwiba abantu twayega twashomezebwa abantu twena hati twayega oshomire notashomire abantu twena hati twayega twashomezebwa abantu twena hati twayega oshomire notashomire abantu twena hati twayega
Nenki beyendeze habaho
ninjire kikondo wakire.
Ekikondo cyo nakireye bu.
Twakitegereze ku cyagenda.
Omushayi yakwisere.
Kwata wa.
Habaki.
Kwata. Kwata wa. Bahatero ubasho kwa kwatanuka.
Hona shikana ha foto.
Ndikubi. Kuko kukimanya ndikubi.
Konka kandi cyamanisho nga yazikwasa yagwero rwajuru mwe.
Aza konka. Niwe kinkureba. Turukubi. Kuko kinkwenda imitaka kusumurwa.
Kuzo munyirwaro. Okay, nangwe cyo tukineshonga. Echo kuzo munyirwaro tukineshonga. Konko kwiyaho nani nyenda tukikiriza ingana me kintu cyo mwame beyendeza. Cyakube cyo kugira ngo eshonga zarga hazayongera yahiguru. Oyemere nanye. Uketegerize sekretari. Eshonga nemwe akatuguza. Tuturakozere ki? Tuturamugurize sente. Mwaketegereza. Konko eshonga hatayizahika. Obuzatahwa muna cancer. Bihaza higuru. Government nehisha kunkoma. Abo kuba yijukeke tinyine license wachitegereza kandi government kurnemanya ngo ntwire ni nguze senti ntine license cyomanyisa ngo nimba ningifereza kuba koma nebishumuruzo
kugambere karisha
kandi baza kongeraho nemishoro myingi mnonge ibarante
kandi riki nakwiza iwe gumiza mu neshongeje we yayenda zo mukoti azenkai tutukurwa hito
hate shitukuza kora ekigambe cy'umurasibireho cyona akatuguza turamugurize sente wacyetegereza
boss
no kubanza kure mu nakira
nandishaba kunyongera y'umushara
okongera umushara ate cyo tikineshonga twaheza kumaririza eshonga yawe yo mushara niza kugiteka teka utakatina reka tubanze twakora rubeyendeza akubara kubi umushara yamutera
kare boss
yamutera kubi munonga umushaya akuba nyunda arakiriye kikonde cyakwata habe munonga yari kwato
nakugira ngo urubaje kwatanuka
mwene hati eco rakore akasenta ko kampira umucyara wawe umukazi wawe bacetegereza akuba na umurimo yakora kurungi ngishikando uragenda bigere nuzo munyirwaro akona kabuda buda
hate kingwenda kukakasa kane
yes
ituturi ni umushonga ubabye yongera yo kwishitiriza he turni
beye ndozo tandikamo
ati we cyo rakori isabira munonga njiro rubajo
okay
taruki katiho
konka nakweshengereza eshonge beha
ebemwe akatuguza
wacetegereza
akatugira
kandi kubira yange byona byaheza kwanga no kubuza ho bujurizi
kashuri
wacetegereza
ati cyo ntitore
ashobangirirwe kumbuza kazo mukingo
bangirirwe manya tino rukubaza kumwiruka ninga mwamugenda bamurondo atugo cyayenda Mchaba chiti, mtumboza hu, tina nuru kumboza.
Muri ndo wakati, mwaza mbyo kuita. Mbyo kuita timbiru.
Tukagire mbyo kuita.
Atireba sekuru.
Ogunu achiriyo mwana muto. Hati beyendeza, nko mushamukuru joro bwenye.
Yona kugambire.
Wachetegereza.
Tina nuru kumumanya.
Okay. Kare.
Kawaya entebezo muzongera yo muzitwara kimwa wanje
emishango hagomborora tuyine nyinji munonga yo mulingo nkogo konka abantu tibakwenda kulira tibali kwega ngo bamanye cyo gukora Ubasho wari nyuma yandi
Mucyara Kagaju. Ningira mbere abaho wagirewe. Ntabwo cyo takumpa ka balance.
Ho nashikiragwira garahanga katwaraga ino rwakashatu karuta kashyire mu kazi togumesereza.
Mucyara Kagaju reko rwakashatu ruba rwakashatu.
Nangwa n'amazima tinku kubiha unashinga kwereza mtwaro nshanju emtwaro eshatu yonka niyo kwija kunde makiragwire.
Akubembera niyo wagireba.
Ngaha gumesereza amazima ninkuraganisa tinku za kunyaga.
Kare kankwese go
rwakashatu. Bitukanda handi sore byabashyikaho nabireba babarire kibanza mushija yabahemukaho kubi.
Ngo shino giro tabona abantu bense nibo tuyino mu nsomo.
Konkanye we nantaro kukimanya ngo manerenda tahatine license. Kandi iki cyanyegesa kandi reka kibeho ranga sasiro kugamba ntyo. Konka cyatwegesa.
Ngushatu nojya ito kutwabento manya byane biza kutushika webi.
Ngaha kandi kinayetegereza. Tindi kwija kwehora sente. Nkaziho mbamanerenda batine license nabo kandi nazibihiremo nkataho mukono ntabandize kumanya endagano negamba kino kuguza no kusinga ataho noreba ngo nho baro yakorire nshobi
Kashamato noreba ito kizubu twayiga kandi byitu byatugenzere
nangwa nuko bunde binte bimwe nibibaho ngo yeje kandi hati konka mugumisirize bambi
kare mbwenu kankwese go rwakashatu nakuraganisa rero rwaza kushika sente zabo nimba nazitongere kare mukazi
behanga bagumye
kare bambi
endagano yitaka endagano kayabe endagano omutayi noha munywani wawe noha waburaninga ngobe kurungi ogwe munywani wawe ni wali kwita omutayi noha munywani wawe noha watekateka ngobe kurungi ogwe mutayi wawe ni wali kwita mutayi wawe watungana basakwita munywani wawe wabakurungi nayenda kwinaze mutayi wawe watungana basakwita munywani wawe wabakurungi nayenda kwinaze
Mushana Productions yabane ku kibwaho Muju Hotel.
Shinasiga